Hi friends, this is GK Naidu. Today we are going to discuss about the problem life cycle. So come to that. So first let we know what is the definition of problem. So simply to say that, number of incidents will occur similar kind of issues by multiple people. So that is known as the problem. So just let me write that number of incidents will occur with similar kind of issue by multiple people. So multiple people, it is considered to be as our problem. So that is the definition of our problem, simply to say that. And now what are the states to be covered in our problem life cycle? So just have a look in our this one, that is the when we are opening our problem form. So create new. So then there are 6 stages are covered in our problem form. So those are the new, assess, root cause analysis, fix in progress, and resolved and closed. So those are the steps have gone through for closing of the particular problem ticket. So those are there. Now, so let me give you the clear briefing. So what we do, okay, so how we are started to the our problem ticket. So that is generally taken by the help of, let me see that. So new state. So before going to start the new state, we should give the one reference ticket, that is the incident or change, whatever it may be. So you should give the some reference. So that is the first reported by. So that is the referenced ticket is required for creating of the problem. So that is the incident or change, whatever it may be. So let me require. So the problem ticket has created by generally problem manager or admin. Why? Because let they consider the ticket would be as a problem ticket. Why? Because when the number of incidents will occur similar kind of issue, so then let they monitor the particular issue and is it considered to be problem or not, that is taken by the care of their particular problem manager. So then the problem ticket has simply to be created by the particular persons. Admin being as new state. Next one.
Good
So
morning, sir.
good morning, Pavitra.
Sorry, I was late.
Okay, Pavitra. So just have a look. Now come to the problem point of view. So just let me parallelly to create the our problem ticket also here. So while we are given this ticket, so that is the our reported. So what are the details are required for creating the particular ticket? So those are the simple details. That is the only problem short description. So that is the referenced particular, okay, reference ticket number and short description. So when you give the particular details, then simply to consider as the, okay, that is being as a new state. So after that, now going to route it to the SS state. So how we are transferred to SS state? So let we see that for going to, okay, SS state, let we give the some other details. Those details are generally here. So that is the some workaround is there. Okay, so now you should also assign the assignment group. So let me see that is there already, no. So that ticket is belongs to SAP. Okay, so for example this ticket is belongs to software. Okay, software people are there. And problem manager or something, let it be. So problem manager is there, let we take that. And now software. Okay, so let we take okay, so there is a small okay thing is there, so that is the assignee 2. So who have assigned the particular this ticket, so that is the problem manager is taking as the okay assignee. So now let we give that, save this one. So when we are assigning the assignee person, then the ticket has routed to SAS. So just that is the our second step. That is the when when we assigned when we assigned to assignee, then the ticket has routed to SS state. That is the second one. So now come to the third. So that is the, so already SS state we have to reached out to the, we have reached out to the in our SS state. Now going to root cause analysis. So for routed to the root cause analysis, let we fill the some details. What are the details are filling here? So that is the analysis information. So that information means, so for example, just let we see that, that is the short description is cannot log into the SAP from my laptop today. So what are the general issues are there? Just let me find the what type of okay issues are there. So let me write that. So that is the workaround issues. So that is the first one is, so uh, let me check their networking and let me check their system updation system updation things updation. And third one, let me check their firewall conflicts and let me check their caches and browser, check their browser the caches. So these are the things are there. So that means so let we find their workaround the things. So that is the, so simply to put on their okay their issue. That issue is the I am not log into the my SAP software. So then what type of issues generally there? So let we find that by the problem team. So they are okay saying simply to the this one. So that is the, let we check their networking point of view and their system updation things point of view and firewall conflicts point of view and browser caches are deleted or not. So these are the general issues. Okay, general issues are generally have. So then, so let they check these all the ends. Okay, these all the ends. by their particular credentials, user credentials, then finally found the one reason. So that is the browser deleted caches. For example, browser deleted caches. So that is the main cause node. So then save that. Sorry, something is also required. So cause note is also there, and notes. It's acknowledged. Okay, sorry, confirm. So just confirm that. So while we are confirm the particular this information, so that is the workaround things, and finally to found out the our cause node, their cause node. So when we confirm that, so then the ticket has routed to SSS to our root cause analysis. That is the third one. So that means when we sorry, so the third one is, let we give the workaround around workaround and cause notes details, then the ticket has routed to, in which state, root cause analysis, routed to, so that is the RCA state. So that is the third one. So now let me see that. So after the root cause analysis, when we fix this issue, so that the issue is fixed by the particular team members. When we found that that is the cause node already there, so they have simply to deleted their browser, all browser caches and their browser history, okay, from their laptop. So then that is the reason is there. So but that's the reason, so he is not able to again log into in their SAP account. So that is there. So how to fix this one? So that is the when we provide the particular resolution. So that is the fix notes is there. So that is the team has fixed the issue. So that is there. So now, so just give that particular resolution, that fix nodes, then fix it. Then the ticket has routed into in our fix in progress state. So that is the fourth step. Now let me see that. So the ticket has resolved by fixed node. The ticket has resolved. Along with the fixed nodes, fixed node, then ticket has routed to fix in progress state. So that is the our step 4. Okay, that is the our stage 4. So when we fix in this particular issue, then simply to check that is there any information, is there related information are there. Okay, let me check on that. And So when we resolve the issue, so then simply to transfer the resolved state. So before going to this one, so let me provide the okay this one also. Yes, before going to resolve the this state, let we get the our some okay confirmation by the any user. So let we take confirmation from user, just resolve it. So now the ticket is going to okay resolved state. Let the ticket as routed to resolved state, resolved state. And last one completed, so that is also, so just simply to make it by the just only complete. So those are the steps have been followed by the our problem life cycle. So that is the, let we completed, not complete, let we closed the ticket, closed the ticket by confirmation with affected callers. So that is there. So here these are the steps have been followed in our problem life cycle. So those are the closed state. Okay, so if the issue is not fixed, so sometimes let they find the only temporary issue, sorry, temporary solutions. That means if they have resolved the particular issue, only some few members are resolved by the particular solution, but some of the members are not resolved the particular issue. So then again reanalyze the particular issue. Okay, so reanalyze the particular again reanalyze the state. Let we take the reanalyzed button, and again followed by the particular type of stages. Okay, so that is the scenario will happen in our problem life cycle. Okay, is it clear? Is there any doubts related to the problem life cycle? Please let me know. Okay, so parallelly to say that in our process, that is the how we are raising the problem ticket and how we completed the our problem ticket. Okay, so those details are
Wha-
already come here. Tell me, Rashikar.
so what about assignment group? Can we mention any?
Actually there is an issue here. That means the assignment group is okay. So that assignment group is, for example, let we take that in our incident point of view, let we assign some assignment group. But here this point of view, this ticket has resolved by the particularly problems team. Okay, problem team, and along with the our their assignment group is the incident who have handled the particular incident ticket. So those team are also helping with the particular members, that is the problem team. But it is not specifically to in our assignment group, but sometimes it may also assigning the assignment group. That means again similarly to give the same assignment group, and the team is also fixed to the particular issue by the assigning, not only taken by the this is the assignee person is there. So while we are choosing the particular team, for example, let we take that software group. So just have a look here. So let we take the software group. So the assignee is missing, so that means, so the numbers are not available here. So that means so that problem team is also there. That problem team is not belongings to especially to the that particular assignment group. So that's why directly to taken here. So that is the our problem assignee to. Okay. So but real time point of view, both the persons are will be working. So that means the our assignment group. So assignment group point of view, for example, software group is there. Software group is having the one person belongings to problem team. Okay. So that person will be handled the particular issue. So that time those names will be definitely reflected here. But right now in this one, in this case, in our demo practice point of view, those are not representing the particular names. So that is the issues there. And here, so these are the main people are there: a problem administrator and problem manager and coordinators and problem coordinator, ATF. Okay, so these are the members are there. Okay, real time point of view, you should also assign sometimes assignment group. So but in this demo practice point of view, it is not able to okay, make it out in this particular time. So that is there. Okay, so now just you will also okay, uh, created the new problem tickets, and you will also finish the particular tickets. So that already total matter is there. So what are the details that we provide, then only able to route it to one state to another state. So those all the things will be discussed here. Okay, so that is there. And now come to the our next topic. So that is the, let we start that. So creation of, okay, so that is the incident. So now let we discuss about of the some fields now. After that, let we discuss about of the development things. So that is the creation of the fields and creation of the views and creation of the sections. So how we are creating the in our form. Okay, those details. Okay. So the first one here, just let we observe the in our incident ticket, that is the some fields are there. So those are the number, color and category. So type of category, issue and subcategories and service. So that is the just, so that service and service offerings and CMDB. So configuration item. So in our real time point of view, generally let they choose the our configuration item. So that means so the configuration item is having the thousands of items are there. So so all the issues, that means number of items are there. So that items are related to hardware and software assets. So hardware and software assets. So if you are having the okay, let you ask the particular service related to the software or related to the hardware, whatever it may be. So first you have to select the particular item. So then you should assign the that particular short description. So that is the issue is there in our real time point of view. And now description is, so to give the more briefing about of the particular issue. So that is there. And channel, so channel means how we are contacting with them, okay, with the affected caller. So that is the chat, email or phone, whatever it may be. So those all are there. And states, so state is okay, this is fixed, no need to change the any state value from the assignee person. So and impact and urgency. So come to the impact and urgency. Impact means so that means how many members are affected, for example. So that is that means how much of impact is there. So by the particular problem, how much of impact is there, so while raising the particular issue. So that is the impact. Okay, how many members are affected. And urgency means if it is not sought out within the short time, okay, uh, how much of business is affected. So if it is not sought out within the short time, so is there any effect by the business economical point of view. So that is the urgency. So that is the urgency will indicates here. So by the based on these two details, let they decide the priority value. So these details are also generally okay. So sometimes okay, these details are also given by the our affected caller point of view sometimes, and sometimes if the affected caller is not assigned, then simply to assign those details by the our service desk team. So the priority is the just it's a okay disabled field, that means the read only field. So by the based on our impact value and urgency value, so we should achieve the particular priority value. And next one, assignment group. So who will handle the particular issue, uh, and who have okay, who have take the particular ticket. So that is the assigning. So those are the details are there. And there are three sections are available in our incident form. Those are the notes, related records, and resolution information. So come to that notes point of view. So there are four fields are available in our notes point of view. Those are the watch list and work notes list. So that means, so this particular ticket only able to see the only these members. So that is also happen while we are giving the particular okay, this particular list. And work notes, so come to that. So the ticket is okay monitored by the some members, but work notes is only monitored by the only few members. So that work notes only monitored by the, for example, manager level people and team lead level people and our colleagues. So that means the our team members. So that type of assigning will also given here, so in our watch list and work notes list. So that means the work notes list means our updations. So that updations only will be able to see the only our team members. So that is also assigning in this particular list place. And additional comments, when the matter has posted into the in our additional comment, so that additional comment only able to see the our affected caller. If you are posted the comment in our work notes, so then our affected caller is not able to see the your comment. So let you decide that this comment is belongs to affected caller, then you post it the matter in our additional comment box only. So those that is there. And related records, come to the related records, that is the, is there any related record is there. For example, so this is acting as a child ticket, so then you should also assign the parent incident. And is there any problem ticket has arisen by the particular this ticket, so that is the problem number. And our change, so change ticket is also raised by the your issue, so then change record, okay, and caused by the change. So those details also will be given by the in our incident. And resolution information, so that is the when we resolve the particular issue, then you should also give the some details. So that is the resolution code, okay, close code and close notes. So close code point of view, there are some choices are there. Just you have to okay give the particular choice, okay, related choice and that notes. So close notes also will be given. And resolved by, who have solved the okay, who have resolved the particular issue and when resolved the this issue. So those all the details will be given and close the issue. So that is the especially to the our incident, okay, our incident point of view. Now let me see that now we are going to see the some small development portion. So that is the, so how we are developing the our application form. So this is the existing application and this is the global. So this is the global application. So these global applications generally any client will definitely use, but the thing is let they give you the some small amendments. So that small amendment means, so let they added the some fields here in their particular form, and let they added the some okay, let they remove the some fields from this particular field. So that type of amendments generally do okay by the client people. So then, so how we are doing the those things. So that is the just okay your cursor just put it on in this area in this section, and now click on the right side click. So that is the configure is there. In our configure some methods are here, some okay, some methods are there. So there are the methods, let we do that, that is the form design and form layout. These two methods are helpful for developing, so developing or creation of the fields, views and sections. So now let we see that. So form layout, first let we observe the form layout. So small amendments will happen. Okay, will we see in this session. So just have a look here. So this is the availability fields and this is the selected fields. So availability is okay. So in our incident point of view, almost 70 fields are there, but right now we will see the only 30 fields. Okay, so in our selected list, those are only 30, maybe 30, near to 30 fields. So if they are wanted the some additional fields here, so then simply to drag that side, and those fields are also appeared on our form. So just let me see that. So what type of the details are will be given. Okay, so just that is the, for example, actual start and actual end. So these two details will be mentioned in our particular form. So where we are, so not channel, yes, I need to later. And later, is there any field will be given additionally. So that is the, just have a look, and due date is there, and duration, effective number, escalation, and follow up. Okay, and parent, user input, so annotation, so yes, annotation is there. So annotation text is also here. So that is the, please fill all mandatory fields. Okay, info box. So this annotation is also moved by the upside. So that is the total up. So then save it. So just have a look here. So just have a look.
చెప్పండి.
ఆఫ్ అయిందా?
ఆ, మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్ ఒకసారి.
హ్మ్. నాకు హ్యాంగ్ అయినట్టు అనిపించింది. నాది ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఏమో అని డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
ఛార్జింగ్ అయితే
నో సార్.
No.
ఎస్. ఎస్
No.
సార్. ఆఫ్ అయిందా?
Okay.
మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్.
Are you able to see my screen? Just have a look. Are you able to see my screen? Just wait a minute. Now, okay. So now have a look here. So that is the small amendments. So that small amendments will happen in our global applications. So that is the, if you are taken to the any MNC company, so that is the TCS, Wipro, Infosys, okay, Atos, whatever it may be. So those all are using the incident application, problem application, and change application. So those all the applications are there, and fields are also will be the same. but some clients are will give you that some some small amendments in that particular forms. So those small amendments are, let me take that some fields are added on my particular application form and some fields are removed. Okay, so those type of requirements will be given by the particular clients. So let me make the those type of amendments by the help of these are two methods, that is the configure form layout and form design method. Okay, and where you have to place the our particular field, so that is also important. So then how we move the particular fields, and our annotations are also will be given in our application form. So that is the, just have a look here. So in our form starting, so just simply to give the one annotation, that is the please fill all mandatory fields. So mandatory means star marked fields. So these are the star marked are there. So when we have to fill the only these star marked fields, then only able to submit the your form. If you are not filling the these details, then the form is not going to be submit. So let me check by your end. Okay, so that is the, now you shouldn't give the caller name. So the issue is there, for example issue tested, and you shouldn't give the caller. So then submit it. So then simply to display the error. So that is the just following the, the following mandatory fields are not filled. So just you have to fill the particular following mandatory fields, then only able to submit the your records. Okay, so that is there. So that type of small amendments is happen by the help of these two methods, that is the configure form layout and configure form design. And some more methods are also there for creating of the fields and views and so sections. So those are also will be covered in our forward classes. Okay, so that is there. And now let me see that, so how we are creating the field. So let me discuss about of here, that is the form layout method. So just have a look, form layout, just choose the configure form layout. Yes, so what we do in earlier one, so that is the availability list, what are the fields are there in our available list. So then simply to drag into, just pick and drop into, drag into the selected list, and simply to appear the those fields in our application form. But now, so my required field is not available in our available list. So now let me create the field. So that field is just name of the field. So that is the, so main reason of the issue. For example, let we created this field. Main reason of the issue. And before creating the particular fields, that is the one important thing is there, that is the data types. So there are almost 30 to 40 data types are there. So this field is belongs to which data type? So the data types are mostly we are used in only 10 data types in our mostly. So but so if regular, if the field is not regular type, so then simply to assign that client is also assigning that data type also. So that means, is it belongs to file attachment, or is it belongs to HTML, or is it belongs to currency related, or is it belongs to price related, or script related, and language related, and translated. So these are the data types are there. So if let they give the particular details by the client side. So if the data type is different, but regular data types are there, those are the 10 data types are regular. So that is the string, choice, date, list, and integer, and journal input, and our just have a look here. So reference, and phone number point of view, and conditions, color, choice. So and these all are the regular data types. So regular data types are not mentioned by the in our stories. So those are simply to assigning those data types by developer side. So now let me take that is the main reason of the issue. So that is the string actually. So that is the main reason of the issue is that is the string. So that string is added. Okay, so just added this one, and where it will be okay appear, where the field will be appear here. So that is the description under. Okay, and save that. Then close. So after closing of the particular thing, so is it appeared the particular field in our form or not? Let me check. So main reason of issue. So that is there. Okay. So this is the creation of the field by the form layout method. Okay. And another one, let we created the views. Views are also there. And sections are also there. So this is the field creation and view creation. So that is the view is there. So what is the purpose of view? So view means it is simplified the particular form fields and form view. So it is simplify the particular form representation. So the view is mainly to do the particular function, that is the to simplify the form presentation. So that's why we are created the number of views. So that views are, just have a look here. Default view is there, mobile view is there, and self-service view is there, password view is there, and VTB workspace. So number of views are here. Why should they created the number of views? Why? Because for example, let me give the one small example. So while we are going to open one one bank account, so then you should take the one application. So that application is having almost 20 pages. So the 20 pages are being in our 10 sections for example. So the 20 pages matter is in our 10 sections. So in that 10 sections, we shouldn't fill the all the details. We should fill the mainly two to three pages, that is the your personal details, and your referenced account details, and your nominee details. Only let you fill the only those details, and other details only you should give the only sign. That means the agreements point of view, that means the acknowledgements, and some disclaimers. So what are the things are there, just you have to sign the only those sections and simply leave that. So now come to that. In that, so the total form will be verified by the only your clerk. So after signing of the your clerk, so then that particular application is transferred to manager level. So that manager is also checking the fields, but what are the details? Let they check only. So let they check only few details. So those details are nominee, or for example PAN number. So is he attached the PAN number or not? Let they check the only 2 or 3 fields, then simply to sign it. Why? Because their roles are more. Not only observe the your application, he is also observing the all the things. Let them monitor the all the things. So that's why they are simplifying the only that form monitoring. So that form monitoring is only, so let they check the only few things, that is the your is he existed the is he existed account, is he existed the already account or not, and is he give the their PAN details or not. So let they check the these type of few details. So for him, so let we created the new view. So in our online point of view, you should give the new view. So that is the manager view. So you should simply to created the manager view. Manager will only see the only those details. That details are only few details, maybe 5 to 6 fields. It's fine. And similarly to take, is there any intermediate person is there? For example, before going to manager, some assistant manager is there. So that assistant manager is also looking out the only some other fields. So that is the way is there for views. So that view will give you that simplify the our form presentation. So that is the main benefit of view. So now how to created the view? So just have a look here. Just click on this button and new option is there. Just click on that and just simply to give that view name. So that view name is the manager view, for example. Just create that. In our manager view, just we put it as the our this number and category, and some category is missing. Just simply to push it in that side, and our state, just put it this one. And these are the fields only available in our manager view. So just save it. Okay, now so this is the default view now appeared here. Now let we give that. Okay, let we check that. So is there configure and okay, no, view is there, configure view. Okay, form level. So now let me check here. So there are some views are there. So whatever the view, okay, so that is it appeared here, that is the manager. So no, it is not appeared. Just have a look. Okay friends, just 5 to 10 minutes I will finish this session. Just wait a minute. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Okay, now already you have created the view. So that view, okay, so whatever the views are there, so in that view, while we are selecting the particular view, is it appear the only that fields or not? Let me check that. So that is the, just let me take that here. So there are the views are there in our views. Okay, so while we check on the this three, okay, three dashes are there, just click on that and come to the views, and in our manager view, so we have created the manager view. Just click on that. While we click on the particular manager view, so now what are the fields are only okay, keep up in our manager view, those fields only appeared here. So that is the number, color, category and configuration item only. Okay, and some of the fields are removed, okay, in our manager view. So that is the benefit of views. Okay, so that means simplify the form presentation. So when we are simplifying the form presentation, this monitoring, so what is the monitoring activity is there, especially to the in our form. Okay, that is simple. Okay, that is simple. So that is there. And now going to see the next one, sections, how to create the section. So now again we are choosing the configure form layout. So just have a look here, and this is the view, and bottom one is the section. So just have a look here. So section is there. In our section, just come to in our new is there, just click on the new and now give the that section. So that is the okay, related info section is there. Just you have to created the related info section and just click on the okay. Okay, in our related info, what are the details will be displayed? So that details are for example resolution details, resolution code and resolution nodes, and resolved, when to resolve. So those are the details are only keep up in our, just keep it in our section. So just have a look here. So this is the manager view, So the manager view is having the only one section, another section. So that is the this related info section. So that info section is having the only these fields. That is the resolution code field and resolution note and the resolve. When to resolve this issue. So this is the way of creation of the section. Okay. And now already we have seen here. So that is the how to create the field, how to create the view, how to create the section. Okay, in our form, in our incident form. So the same procedures will work out in our any table and any application. So you should also use the these components only, these methods only. Okay. Is there any doubts? Please let me know.